What's up everyone, Purianik here, and I hope you have a fantastic day today. As usual, let's start with the weekly time frame. And on the weekly time frame, we are still super duper bullish, and Bitcoin already hold above the $90,000. And I'm already mentioned Bitcoin can come to this green box, and maybe we can get some rejection from here. At the same time, still Bitcoin can try in for a higher price around 96,000. But remember, anytime we can see the correction, and if we get the reject from here, still we have a support around 89,500. You can see the multiple support, definitely possible to retest and then continue to rise up. Usually when we see the dump on the market, we can have a 10%, 15%, 20% or 25%. And if we get the dump from all-time high to 80,900, almost is like 13%. And if we get a 20% dump, we can see the Bitcoin back around 74,000. And if we get the 25%, bring the Bitcoin back again to $69,400. We have to be careful a little bit. I'm so bullish on the market, as you know. I'm still holding my position, and I'm already top up to my position, but we have to be ready anytime market can get the sell, or we can see some correction. I'm not saying right now we can see immediately correction right now, or we can see the immediate dump right now. It's still possible to see the Bitcoin around 95,000, 96,000, or higher price around 100,000, 120,000, and above that this price. But remember, if we get some correction, definitely we can see the Bitcoin back again around 80,000 or around $75,000 again. If we checking the MACD on the weekly time frame, still histogram is green. We are higher than a baseline. We don't see any cross on the MACD and the signal. This means it still can continue. But remember, on the bullish market, still we can see some correction or choppy sideways action. On the daily time frame, we can see very clear midband of the BB standing exactly around 80,437, and low band is standing around $62,000. Make sense? And if we get some correction here, 14%, bring the Bitcoin back again to 80,000. We can see the clear midband standing around here. But right now, I'm super duper bullish. And if we see the Bitcoin breaking the 96,000 and come and retest it, definitely we can see the 100,000 for a Bitcoin, or $120,000, or we can see the Fibonacci line standing around 130,000. To be honest with you, if Bitcoin back above the 100,000 and come and retest the 96,000, definitely we can see the continuation, and we can see the higher price for a Bitcoin. But remember, still we have a nearest support around 89,500, which is that today already tested. And if we breaking down, still we have a support around 87,500, and midband is standing around 80,500. MACD on the daily time frame, we don't see any cross at the moment, but we can see a little bit histogram is changing, but we are still higher than a baseline. And to be honest with you, this is like super duper bullish for a market, especially on the higher time frame. Market is still so bullish. But remember, if we get the correction, don't get the liquid or don't get the stop hunt before the market trying for $100,000. Let's quickly check the Ethereum and see what's going on Ethereum. Ethereum on the weekly time frame, we already clearly rejected from the 3,300, and we get the support around 2,983. We never touched it again, the support around 2,983. But what I can see right now, Ethereum can pinpoint between the support and the resistance. And if we want to see mega bullish for Ethereum, we have to see the Ethereum close above $3,500 approximately, and the next resistance is standing around 3,727, and we have a higher one around 3,935. Ethereum is going very slowly, but remember, Ethereum is Ethereum and is the second largest market cap on the market, and definitely we can see the crazy number on Ethereum if Ethereum breaking the all-time high around 4,500. MACD on the weekly time frame, we can see the clear cross, and we can see the histogram is already to green, and we can see right now MACD line is trying to come to retest the baseline. And what I mentioned before, if you want to see the mega bullish and if you want a continuation for Ethereum have to take over the 3,500 first, then we can see the higher price for Ethereum. If I check in the daily time frame, on the daily time frame, we can see a still mid band standing around 2,884 and the top band standing around the $3,500 resistance. Ethereum already get the dump around 12.6%, but what we can see right now, Ethereum didn't break out the support around $3,000. From my view, still Ethereum can continue as soon as hold above the $3,000. Solana on the weekly time frame is super duper bullish, and we are not so far from all-time high. And to be honest with you, Solana is super duper bullish, but we have to remember anytime we can get the correction. And on the weekly time frame, top end of the BB is standing around $230, and we have a support around $210, and we have a more strong support around $200. MACD on the weekly time frame, super duper bullish. I'm already mentioned we can see the head and bullish divergence, and we already play out, and this is still can continue as soon as the Solana hold above the 230. At the same time, we don't see any cross at the mark. At the same time, we don't see any cross on the MACD, and histogram is still rising. And if we see the Solana break above the 250, definitely we can see the Solana come and retest the $330. And we have a more Fibonacci line around $520. Solana is super duper bullish, and we can see many alt is crazy pumping right now. If Solana breaking the all-time high, definitely we can see the crazy number on Solana, and even we can see the 800, 900, even $1,000 for Solana. Nobody know, but I thinking Solana one of the surprising coin on this cycle. So this is all about today. Don't forget to join the crypto zone, and if you still doesn't have a Bybit account, you can make your new account, or if you have a account already in the Bybit, you can make a new account and you can transfer in your KYC. So ask me, I can help you on that. All the best for you, and see you on the next video.